Mr. Anyidoho, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Solution.
About your now open saying opening. Ah. I've read your support for the call by Zenato Rollins. Opani, what informs your decision to back her request?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. And good morning to you when you're listening. Oh, Sammy, I mean, what else? This is the daughter of the founder, NDC. And she chooses the first anniversary remembrance ceremony of her father to make such a passionate appeal. She wasn't demanding. She wasn't forcing. She was only appealing. Sammy, what else? What else? The Reform Party broke away in 2000. We lost elections. DFP broke away. We lost elections. It took President Mills, or candidate Mills at the time, to make very strenuous efforts. Say, almost summer, by MEA win elections. You know, Ben Epstein is a pollster, so he can afford to use statistics and say, oh, Mame no, only numbers, only them. It's not about them. It's about some psychological effect of getting Konadu back into control. And so for me, I will support anything that has to do with unity. United we stand, divided we fall.
Opani, now reference one more breaking away and one more a comeback. Oh, you have been a deputy general secretary of the party before. The processes of a comeback, for instance, Mr. Gusitano Mono, do they have to reapply?
No. I mean, anybody who will see somebody has to reapply. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's a political party. It's a voluntary organization. You join voluntarily. Where from this reapply? It's ridiculous. Preposterous. Preposterous to the extreme. Preposterous to the extreme. Reapply for what? When the NDC was being founded by Konadu, her husband, and those who began it, the person who is saying that somebody should apply, where was he? Where was he? Sebe. You know what I'm saying? Jikita mami na better know them. Jiadie kita mami, so mami, usami action, so phone mami. Na better know them. What are we talking about? Let's give respect where respect is due.
Opani, can it not be said, sir, voluntarily, and a means so of free party anymore? And it's a wild open as a free party anymore.
Reform followed voluntarily, but somebody brought them back. Years before, if we party voluntarily, but somebody brought them back. So if NDP left voluntarily, and there's now a call, someone brought back, what is wrong with it? There's history to guide us, Sammy. There's history to guide us. Say, be moved voluntarily. But say, a problem of back. Some are MPs now. Guzi himself wanted to be flag bearer at a point in time. So what are we talking about? What are we talking about? You know, and Nana Konadu free NDC, Nefari Barnett, any day. And say a call. Congress was unanimous on any President Mills or contesting here. And no, or lose here, and then the buffon will be free. What's the I want to state categorically say, Obia and reality. President Mills won that contest overwhelmingly. I mean. But President Mills was never beaten. Never beaten. In fact, last year, after quiet engagement with former President Rollins, he was able to go to Asomdwe Park for the first time. 24th July, 6:30 a.m. Himself, and he went and laid a white rose on the tombstone of President Mills. He made peace with President Mills. And some on November 12, the couple also friend said, we are talking about not war. We are talking about Asomdwe.
What would you
just make peace? I mean, let's stop this level of intolerance.
What would you expect to say after this passionate appeal? No, the party does say immediately now. No,
well, I think I've heard the national chairman, who is also the leader of the party, and then I'm out for being the say, Yatiasi. But Article 25 of the NDC's constitution is very clear that when we are in opposition and we don't have a flag bearer, the national chairman is also the leader of the party. So, Samuel, if the leader of the party has spoken in support of a senatorial relations score, what else? What else? Let there be discipline in the party now. Let there be discipline in this party. How does the national chairman and leader finish speak and a junior officer wants to counter what the leader has said? What kind of political party is this? What kind of political party is this? What from this level of indiscipline? Abba! Oh.
Opani na ukoti articles be our mo party ne mo constitution emu say as to what is stipulated when a leader of the party in opposition any hon koneba. Is that not the same position and Peter Boama Otukono also took say party ne stipulate article 8 of the party's constitution say and son will be join the party that person must apply.
You belong to a branch. That's it. It's not any application. He or Tokuno did apply to join it. Ask him. Where's his application letter? Where's his application letter? He should produce his application letter. Oh. He should produce it. Okay? He applied. Let him produce his application letter. Samuel Sean. Where do you say Peter Boamo Tokuno, produce your application letter. If you want Konadu to apply, you to produce your application letter. Abba.
You need to
saw the answer.
You need to see how to pay. Openi na one kasano. What does you NDC ni?
100%.
Sir, I thought so we were so almost my expel.
I said the Kitiana now. No, dear.
And Oko party meetings.
Well, I'm not an executive member of the party, so I can't attend FEC.
Sir, at the branch, you know, a name or other, you know,
as I speak to you, I'm in my village. I'm in my branch. I'm in my village. My name is to me, Pami Grace. Certainly not at any church. To me, Pami. I go in and know. You know, Sammy, it's a game. He thought he was going to provoke me. Now, my cousin resign and working. Then he, the same as you will come out and come and say, why a man a letter? So the man a letter. We are not see what party. So I said, has still not given me a letter up to today. So nobody has sent me. If it's a man, he should send me with a letter.
Opani yadi yanko matutwe no ebesi ahanma no pay but yebedo asese wajembe na
yadi have a wonderful day.
Mr. Koku Anyidoho, former Deputy General Secretary of the NDC at the Mills Institute, wono ena wodano anope woni edi nkomo efa the ekoso as per the requester. Nana Konadu ebaba woye member of Parliament for Koleklote wode eto party nim waba no mo e kai neja. The 1 year we free mo no sɛ yɛnhwɛ maame akyira kwan na yɛntwe no mbɛn yɛn ne yɛmfa no mbra party no mu